Welcome to Boxcode. Today we learn new concept of Kotlin. आज के एजेंडा ये है Variable of Kotlin and data type in Kotlin. Let's understand the variable in Kotlin. First concept is what is a variable in Kotlin? Variables are containers for storing data values. इसका मतलब ये है कि वेरिएबल्स डेटा स्टोर करने के लिए एक कंटेनर है. It is used to store the data. Kotlin variable is declared using keyword var and val. It means Kotlin के अंदर हम दो तरीके से वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं. First var keyword and second val keyword. Here we give the example of variable in Kotlin. Here var and val both are used to declare the variable in Kotlin. So, let's understand the difference between var and val. First point is that var means a variable and val means a value. Second point is that var represents a mutable variable. It means we can change the value of variable during the execution. Where val represents a read-only variable. It means we cannot able for reassign the value of variable during the execution. Let's see the examples. In the var example, count is changeable. Where in the val example, pi represent constant value, it means it not change during the execution. Let's understand our second agenda. What is data type in Kotlin? In Kotlin, data types are used to define the type of data that a variable can hold. Here are the commonly used data types in Kotlin. For store integer value we have byte, short, int, long data type. And store floating point value we have float and double data type. And store boolean value we have true and false. And store character value we have char and string data type. Let's understand the data type with example. Example of data type. Here, we declare the data type explicitly. Thank you for watching this video. For the next video, please subscribe the channel. Like, share, subscribe, comment.